So ladies and gentlemen, look to your right. Presenting to you for the first time at Singapore Airshow, the light combat aircraft Tejas. Dolly will be carrying out a hesitation roll. And there she goes. She now pulls up for the vertical pitchback to quickly turn around for an engagement. Watch him as he rolls off. And there goes the heat seekers off the rails. He'll now turn hard left with max rate for a quick burst of the 23mm gun. And the threat ceases to exist. Continue to look out as Tolly now positions for the signature maneuver, the red-eye turn. In this maneuver, the aircraft and the pilot are pushed to the other end of the flight envelope. The aircraft is subject to negative 3.5 G. There she goes, banking right and turning left. Tejas in English means radiance. This machine is the lightest, meanest and most potent among its contemporaries anywhere in the world. Light it may be, but it packs a heavy punch when it comes to combat. She glides like a butterfly but stings like a bee. Ladies and gentlemen, look straight ahead as Tolly positions for an aerial salute to the wonderful people of Singapore. There she goes, pulling up into the sky, flaunting the Delta platform. With this, I would say, Majula Singapura. Continue looking out as she comes down for the Formula One turn, tighter than Michael Schumacher in his Ferrari. For all the Formula One enthusiasts out there, watch as he turns effortlessly in just a few hundred meters. He now positions for the slow march, which is dedicated to the frontline health workers all across the globe who have been battling the COVID-19 pandemic for the past 3 years. So look left as Tolly starts knocking off some knots and will effortlessly glide past you at a staggering speed of 120 knots. Tolly has now engaged the burners of the beast behind the seat and watch him zoom into the sky. The aircraft and the crew performing for you today are from the number 18 and number 45 Squadron of the Indian Air Force. He will now carry out multiple rolls and invert his bird to bid farewell. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the wonderful display put up by Tolly. That's it from me at the Tejas Tactical Air Display team. Hope you have enjoyed the show as much as we did. This is Windy signing off. Terima kasih.